The faucet in my shower stall started to lose water pressure from a hard water buildup. I want to share a technique I used to remove hard water deposits that can accumulate in hard-to-reach areas, like the inside of copper piping. The first thing I did was remove the cartridge and purge the line. The water came out at full pressure through both the hot and cold water lines, which feed into the cartridge. I tried installing a new cartridge, but the pressure at the spout remained the same, so I knew the problem was most likely a hard water buildup somewhere in the pipe that connects the handle to the spout. A plumber told me the only way to fix this was to remove the drywall behind the shower stall and install an entirely new faucet. He quoted me $1,200 for the job. Soaking an item in vinegar works well at dissolving a hard water buildup, so I decided to try to fill up the pipe leading down to the spout with vinegar. First, remove the spout. There's a few different ways they can be attached. This one threads on. I then wrapped some Teflon tape around the copper pipe, put a piece of plastic wrap around the end of the pipe, and secured it tightly with some electrical tape. Any method to make the pipe watertight should work. I then took a syringe filled with vinegar and injected it into the opening of the valve that leads down to the spout. This is undiluted white vinegar I'm putting in. From all of the research I've done, vinegar appears to be safe for pipes. Never use CLR for this method, especially on copper piping. It'll erode the copper. Always read the instructions on any store-bought product. I first tried this with a turkey baster, but it just made a mess. You may need something accurate that can get into these tiny areas. I found these syringes on Amazon. This is a Delta faucet. It's original to the home, which was built in 2008. This technique should work with many different types of faucets and plumbing applications. Once the vinegar starts to come out of the main valve, we should be good. I then left this to sit overnight for 10 hours. A few hours would probably have been fine. I then flushed out the main body with water and reinstalled the handle assembly. This is the water pressure before, and this is what it looks like after leaving vinegar in the line overnight. The faucet's been completely restored to full pressure. I hope this helps someone with a similar hard water issue. Thanks for watching.